Group 6, Olivia, Syazwani, Kylie, LP, and Camelia. Extensive practice. Question number 9. Solution. Question. Solution. From Rosades or give. From Wildens or give. Solution. Position of median. Position of third quartile. From Rosades or give, median equals 14.45, third quartile equals 15.45. From Wildens or give, median equals 15.25, third quartile equals 16.45. Wildens' performance is better than Rosades because the values of the median and the third quartile are higher than Rosades.